could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liddy Lissa TV. Welcome back. This is a try-on haul, a Fashion Nova try-on haul. Cause you know, like, I'm just obsessed with them. But this is the first piece. I got a large, and I just liked it because of the bow, and then it's pink and red. So this could be perfect for Valentine's Day if you do end up getting this. It's super cute. It's comfortable. It is stretchy. The only part I would say is a little weird is the skirt. It kind of fits weird. Yes, it'll, you know, fit like high-waisted, but the back kind of goes down. So it's not all the way high-waisted, I would say. And it could be because of the shorts, because it is a skort. So, but it covers in the back. Covers enough. And then it's got lace. But it's overall really cute. I love it. This is the next outfit, but let me tell you, it's called, I think, Tyla Bodysuit, like 2-piece or whatever. I got a large in both, cause you know, but when they say snatched, they mean it. Oh my god, it's got me snatched because I think I look small, like, you know. But the pants are a little flared at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is flared. If you are short, it's not short girl friendly, but I might probably wear heels with this or like some red shoes or something. But yeah, it is a bodysuit and it comes separately. It's not together. So I think they had other ones where it was a 2-piece set, but it was like a crop top instead of like, you know, bodysuit. But they definitely gonna be snatched. Definitely snatched. I kind of struggled trying to get this on because it's so like tight, and I would not wear this in the summer. This is giving like in the fall or borderline getting cooler. You could wear, you know, a long sleeves and not be burning up. But yeah, this is super cute. This lining up here, you know, got the girl sitting. And it's super, I love this. I love the colors. The light blue with the red. So most likely wear red shoes with this for sure. But yeah, this is super cute. So if you like it, go check it out because they have a lot of other options with this collection of Snatched. I believe they have a dress, a jumpsuit. They did have like a Skort 2-piece set. It was a lot of them. I just chose this one, but I might go back because I really wanted the Skort set. But that's if it's still available. But anyways, the whole collection was cute. It's different colors as well. They have a pink and orange, or pink and white, or navy blue and white. But yeah, super cute. Okay, so this is the second outfit. The top is like a little high maintenance. That's what it's called. I got this in a large. And then the skirt, I don't remember the name, but everything will definitely be in the description box below or in the video at the bottom. I'll put the name. I got this in an extra large because, you know, Fashion Nova skirts, they're either too small or too short. So I got an extra large in this just to be safe, which I'm glad I did because up here there's like no stretch at all. No stretch. But it's like a little snug, but not enough to where like I literally can't deal. And then this is the back. It's still a little short, but like not enough to where, you know, I can't really wear this. But I liked it because it was denim, and then they got a leather on the second half, and then they kind of like the stitching. It was just really cute to me. I don't know. So, and I probably put some like leather boots with this or something, and I think it would be really cute together. Just be a little different. But yeah, this is cute. Their crop tops are starting to be smaller than what they are to me. Or it could just be like, you know, wigging, but I'm starting to go size up. But this is a large, so And I sometimes don't want my crop tops to be so fitted. Kind of want them to be a little loose. So that's why sometimes I get a medium, sometimes I get a large. It just depends. But yeah. Okay, so this is the next top. I left the bottom on because I don't have like, well I do, but I gotta find the pants that I'm planning on putting this with. So I got this in a large. It's just a leather top. And it comes with a zipper on the side. You just zip it up. And then the back, it's kind of like this. So you can untie it and, you know, adjust it. So I could really make this a little looser because it is very tight right now. But yeah, it fits really good though. You know, like, yeah, I'll probably either leave it like this or maybe loosen it up a little bit. But super cute. It has this like foil metallic type. I don't know what to really say this is, but I guess to give it like a kind of different look to it. I don't know, but I still think it's super cute. So okay, so I got this top, and you know the bows, it's trending. So this top says I'm just a girl, and they had a pink one as well with black letters. So I got this, and I was gonna wear it with this Skort, because it is a Skort under, has shorts under. So it's a Skort. It's like a pleated type skirt, you know, that are going around. I believe, let me get this. I got this one in a large because it just has a lot of stretch. It's kind of like a little tight around like the thigh area of the shorts and kind of up here, but it stretches enough. So yeah, I got a large, and it's not so short in the back, just right. So yeah, I thought this was cute. Jumpsuit. Now I'm not a jumpsuit girly like that, but sometimes I will put a jumpsuit on that's really cute. What drew me to this one was the colors, like the pink and the purple. It just looks so cute, and it's like ombre. So it's padded at the top. So you have like, you know, padded bra, and then it's like a corset. I am 5'2", 5'2.5", 5'3", whichever one. I'm kind of in between, as they say. Anyways, it scrunches up at the bottom, so I feel like it's tall girl friendly. If you are taller than me, because it's very scrunched up. But this is a perfect dinner, birthday outfit, or even just going to the club and you want to be cute. Like, this is perfect for all of that. Definitely thinking I might wear this for my birthday, maybe. I don't know. But it's super cute. Like, I love it, especially the colors. It's definitely really cute. So it's very snatched. It's like the snatched material that they use on some of the other items that they have. But this is definitely super cute. Trying to fix the top because it's like too big. So I did get a size large in this, and this is a set. It does come together. It's a corset top with, like, you know, the trendy trousers with like this on it, and it does flip over, so there's a little button right here, and then it like latches. So I would say it's kind of tricky because the top could be too big, but like you might want to size up because there's no stretch right here at all. See, I heard it unsnap. But yeah, so it's like any little thing that you do, it's gonna unsnap. So what I was thinking, since it is like tucked under here, you could always put like a safety pin to make sure, you know, it doesn't undo. I don't know, that's just a thought, but I just love the trend that with the trouser pants, and they had this. It was super cute to me. So even if I can't, you know, with the top, and I keep having to pull up on it because it's just too big at the top for me, I just wear the trousers by itself, honestly. But this is super cute. I love it. So this is the next outfit. This is actually really cute. So I thought it was just gonna be white and green, but it's actually pink and green. So if you see the model, it is kind of like, you know, colored off. But anyway, so it's kind of open, and there's like a strap and then a strap to the top. But I kind of like how it kind of like incents right here to like, you know, fit you. I don't know how to describe that very well, but it's very stretchy, so you can't get your true size. I got a large. The only thing you may have to be careful with is the back of the skirt, because it might be too short. But actually the lace right here is kind of like sitting under, you know, the cuff, so I think you'll be fine unless you're like, you know, going dancing or something. But this will be a cute dinner outfit, you know, with your man, or even with your friends, with the girls. You know, y'all could hit like a pink eye or green, you know. It would be still be cute. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about these jeans quickly because I'm actually really sad that they do not fit, but I should have known with all these things. So these are the jeans, and I'll show you what it looks like on the model, because these tend to be sold out because everybody wants them. I got my actual size 13. I couldn't even get them past my thighs. So I really think you should either one size up or two size up. So I'm really sad about these pants, so I'm gonna have to return them, but they were super cute. And I got the top because I'm like, maybe it'll come back in stock, you know, because a lot of times that happens. But anyways, so next, this is the top that I got. I'm trying to get into like, you know, the grown and sexy, being able to get cute tops and have cute bottoms with it. Like, I don't know, like I don't have to always look like make a look with trousers or something. Like, even with it like this is cute. And I do have some heels that I got that are kind of similar to this top, similar color wise. But I like this because it's like a little twist action going on, and then asymmetrical, and then asymmetrical again. It, you know, scrunch up, whatever scrunches on the sides, to make it, you know, stay like asymmetrical. Super cute. So this is the last shirt. It's a cute tan nude sequin top. So I thought this was so cute. This was actually on sale for like $9 or so. So my thought was to wear this with some like mom jeans or like straight leg jeans and some heels. It would be cute like this too with like some skinny jeans as well. But yeah, so this is the last top. It's actually very fitted in a way, especially down here, but it seems like it's gonna keep rolling up. So this is the type of crop top that's like super cropped. It's not, because I got this in a large as well, so it could, you know, be a little bigger than my actual size, medium. So, and I'm glad I did, because I probably wouldn't be able to fit this top if I didn't. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this try on haul. I know it's a little shorter than usual, but thank you for watching. If you got this far, don't forget to like it and leave a comment down below. Which one was your favorite? So everything will be listed down below as well. My size that I got, and it'll be a link to Fashion Nova. That way you could just directly see it, if it's available or not. Some of these items may be sold out, just letting you know now. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame